I'm Garth Tander, Supercars driver for Gary Rogers Motorsport, and what you might not know is I'm actually a mechanic. Don't ask me to service your car because it was ages ago that I did my time. But we're not here to talk about me, we're here to talk about tools. More specifically, part of the huge SP Tools range. Here we have the Mechanics 5-piece power combo kit. It's part of the SP Max Drive range. Now you get all this as part of your kit. A drill, a ratchet, a torch, a bit driver, an impact wrench, and importantly the charger. Impact wrench, really cool, 105 Newton meters of torque, plenty of grunt for those everyday uses that you need, plenty of battery life. Bit driver, this thing will do up huge screws. It'll drive anything into a hole. It's a really cool bit of kit. Your drill, your regular clutch settings, go all the way to drill settings, so if you're drilling through wood, 10mm chuck, high and low speed, plenty of battery life there. Your ratchet, backwards and forwards, great size, great for getting into those hard to reach places like up under bell housings, getting starter motors off, things like that. Finally, your torch, so you can see what you're doing. A lot of people underestimate the 12-volt range because they think it doesn't have a lot of power. For its size, these tools have got plenty of grunt.